Friends, you must have seen birds flying around your house, right? But do you know their names? No. Okay, don't worry. Now I am going to take you to the magical world of birds. Crow. Crow. This is a crow. C for crow. A crow is black in color. Sparrow. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. A sparrow eats small food grains. Pigeon. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. Parrot. Parrot. This is a parrot. P for parrot. A parrot is green in color. A parrot eats chilies. Peacock. Peacock. This is a peacock. P for peacock. A peacock looks very beautiful. Peacock is the national bird of India. Duck. Duck. This is a duck. D for duck. A duck lives in water. Duck eats fish and frog. Crane. Crane. This is a crane. C for crane. Crane eats fish and frog. Eagle. Eagle. This is an eagle. E for eagle. An eagle can fly very high in the sky. Eagle eats snakes and rabbits. Owl. Owl. This is an owl. O for owl. An owl comes out of its nest only in the night. It eats rats and other small creatures. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. K for Kingfisher. It is blue and orange in color. It eats fish. Friends, now I will show you some pictures on the screen and you should give me an answer. Which bird is this? It's black in color. Come on, tell me fast. It's a crow. Okay, now who will tell me? This bird is blue and orange in color. Right, it's a kingfisher. Now which bird is this? Tell me fast. Right, a sparrow. Oh, and this bird? Come on, come on. I have shown you the picture. Right, an owl. Which is this bird? Who will tell me? Right, a pigeon. Oh, this bird can fly very high in the sky. Come on, give me the answer. Right, eagle. Oh, this bird eats chilies. Come on, come on. Tell me fast. It's a parrot. Which is this bird? It lives in water. Right, it's a duck. This bird is a national bird of India. Who will give me an answer? Come on, it's a peacock.